Students begin the day's lesson by coming in and watching an introduction video of camera shots and camera angles utilizing YouTube. Once students have watched the video, the class has a discussion. This is where the instructional objectives will be introduced as well as the activities for the day. The next activity, students will be identifying camera angles and camera shots. They will be given a list of descriptions as well as an image that they will have to match. Once students are done, they will collectively as a class go over the terms to make sure all students understand the terminology. The next activity, students will be grouped into 2 to 3 students, and each group will get a camera. The groups will create their own examples of camera angles and camera shots by taking pictures on campus. Students will then import the images on the computer and upload them into the presentation program called Prezi. Prezi will allow students to create an interactive presentation identifying the terminology that they've learned in class that day. Prezi will allow them to select their own template as well as add text, images, and audio. At the end of class, students will log in individually onto Kahoot, which will allow the teacher to assess if the students have mastered the objectives for the day. Kahoot will show questions on screen and students will individually answer on their device. Once everybody has selected an answer, Kahoot shows which answers people chose. This gives the opportunity for the teacher to discuss with students the answers and receive feedback from students as to why they chose those answers. At the end of the session, students are given a survey as to ask, did you learn something? And it allows them to individually tell the teacher how they felt about the material. This is a bonus for them because this is just another way to assess students' understanding.